Hello, I just want to show you the way I put a bar and chain on my power head, my chainsaw. It's a method I've used for quite a while. It's good for me, maybe somebody else it isn't good for, okay? So, and this isn't in the books. A lot of things that I'm going to show you with different videos are different ways of doing things. It's not your standard way of doing things, okay? Hope you like it and it helps some of you. I appreciate it if you subscribe and let me know on your comments. Thank you very much. Here we go. See, I have the head upside down. And we'll have the cap. I'll take the cap off. Should be a 28-inch bar. Now, when you look at this down in here, you can see that everything's lined up. Now I can tighten my chain. I see it's good on the sprocket. I see the slack between the bar and the sprocket. Now I'm going to start tightening her up. Has a big belly on it. I call that a belly. Don't ever run a chainsaw with a belly on it. Got to suck that belly up. For me, I don't like tight chains. It's metal against metal. And I don't depend on the chainsaw bar oil that much. You can't put it that tight. You got to work with it. When you pull it up behind the tooth, I always look that I can pull it up and I could see that first tooth sticking up right there with the pressure. That's good for me. And it kind of goes back like a rubber band. Bam. And I never put a lot of pressure on these bolts. I've always seen guys put a lot of pressure on here and strip these out. This bolt will come out from the chassis. See, nice and snug. Chain's good, just like a rubber band. And there you have it. And I'm not putting the chain on like this, picking up the bar to put that pressure. Being upside down, it helped me. So if that'll help you out, better for it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next video. And please subscribe, because I'm going to be giving you a lot of tips in the way I do things. And hopefully you could pick it up. Thank you very much.